Okay, this is your homework for tonight. These are the problems we kind of went over in class. Remember, we're always trying to find the y-intercept first, and then we need 2 points. We need to find another point so we can find the slope. So kind of recap here, like on number 7, the y-intercept is 2. That's the point where it touches the y-axis right there. Then we need the 2 points here to find the slope. Starting from the y-intercept, you would have to count down 1 and to the right 1. So that makes this a -1/1, which means our slope is a -1. So now we're putting this in slope-intercept form. That's the y equals mx plus b. So we put the slope, this number always goes in front of x. So our equation is y equals a -1x plus 2. Or you can write it as y equals just a -x plus 2. You don't have to put the invisible 1. Now a problem like a number 8, always find your y-intercept first, okay? So that's -4. This line is horizontal, so hopefully you recognize that's one of the special cases. That's a 0 slope. This horizontal line touches the y-axis at -4. So that means the equation is y equals -4. Okay. So you have 8 more to do on the back here. Remember, first you are identifying the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 2 here. Sorry. Then we need 2 points. We need to find another exact point. I could do this 3, 3, or I can go to 6, 4. Doesn't matter, but it has to, I'm going to do that in red. It has to be where the 2 lines cross, okay? So this point here is 6, 4. So when I count my rise over run from the y-intercept, I'm going up. Sorry about this, cancel that. I'm going up 2, and then to the right, remember we're counting these lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I'm rising 2 and a run 6, that's just 2 over 6, which can be reduced to 1/3. So that means the equation is y equals the 1/3 is the slope, so 1/3 x, and then my y-intercept is a +2, so it's just +2. Okay. 10 is also a positive slope because the line is increasing. I want to talk about 11. It is a negative slope. You still want to identify the y-intercept for it first. So this y-intercept is a -4. I need another exact point. I can do the x-intercept, or I can come here. It still would be the same. And if I count my rise over run from the y-intercept, I'm rising up 4 units, but I'm going to the left 2. Now, you need to understand, because I'm going to the left 2, that is a -2. So up 4 to the left 2, 4 over -2 reduces to just -2. So our equation is y equals to the -2x. Let's do that in black. And then the y-intercept is minus a -4, so this will be -4. I'm going to talk about 12 here. And then remember on 13, watch your scale. But on 12, there is no y-intercept. This black line does never touches the y-axis. So there's no y-intercept. This is a vertical line, and a vertical line has an undefined slope. You just got to memorize that fact. I'll give you a little acronym to help you. This vertical line touches only the x-axis at a -2, so the equation is x equals -2. So the acronym we use to help students remember is HOY, and the other one is VUX. the H here is for horizontal. I'm just going to abbreviate that. This O is actually the zero slope. That's the M. And it's Y equals the y-intercept, the Y number. For the V, this is for vertical. U is for undefined slope. And this is always X equal a number. That's why X equals -2 here. Now what I was talking about on number 13 is watch out for your scale. So I know that's my y-intercept, 10. I need another point. So the next point would be here at 5:14. I'm starting at 10 and I'm rising up to 14. Sorry about that. So this is a rise of 2, 4, not just 2. You're not counting the lines. You got to watch the increment. These are increments of 2. And then my run, these are increments of 1. So this is a run of 5. So this slope is 4/5. And our equation would be y equals the 4/5 x, then plus 10. So please use this video explanation and your notes that we took and the problems we did previously together here to help you complete this assignment. This will be a separate grade. All right, thank you.